Hello, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean and polish really dirty bicycle spokes, as you can see here. The stuff that's on here was so nasty and so stubborn, I couldn't get it off no matter what I tried. So again, it's up to sanding them and before moving on to machine polishing. And that took a bit of time. It's an odd object to sand and polish bicycle spokes, and there are a lot of them. So it was kind of hard getting in between them, getting around underneath them, and especially around the hub. So again, you just have to take your time. And I did the exact same thing I do when I polish, for instance, aluminum crank arms. So start with a heavy grit like 80 or 60 and then move all the way up to 800 before moving onto the machine polishing step. I figured that instead of the machine polisher I use, it might even be more handy if you use a hand polisher, but I don't have such a tool. And obviously just disassembling the entire wheel and then polishing each spoke is the most easy way to get the best result, is the way to get the best result, but I don't know how to build wheels and I don't have a truing stand, so this was the next best thing for me. It's kind of, you have to find your way, you have to pick a certain strategy in polishing the wheel because it's so big and unwieldy, if that's the correct word. But in the end, this was the way I did it. I also went in behind. I moved the polishing wheel between the spokes. And the last step was using a bit of abrasive liquid cleaner to get the cutting compound of the spokes, and that's it. That way you can get a really nice wheel again. So if you like the video, please subscribe and drop a like. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. They're much appreciated. You can also visit the website Restoration.bike for more background information. Good luck with your own restoration projects, and I hope to see you in the next video.